Today we'll solve the question number 10 and 11. Okay. So see, let's see questions are what. See question number 10. So in this question number 10, what if a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2 and d equal to 0, find the value of. So here a is what solution equation a is what a plus b minus c plus d. So a value is what? So first we write a plus b minus c plus d. Okay, so a value is what? 4, and b value is what? 3 is given in the question, and my c value is what? 2. Okay, and d value is what? 0. Okay, now you see we will calculate the two numbers together. Okay, so 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, it will be 7, and then minus 2. Okay, and plus 0, no need to write. So 7 minus 2 is what? 5. Okay, next number b. So here a square, b square, and d square by c square. Okay, so here a value is given 4, so we'll write 4 here, and b square is what? 3. We'll write 3 square. Okay, and there this will be the c square, this will be d, I think. So there 0 square, right? So d value is what? 0 square. Okay, and c square is what? 2, so they are d. Okay, so this one will make d square. So okay, and then c square is what? C square is 2. So 2 will write in place of c will write 2, and exponent is what? 2. That means square. So in up you see 4 square is what? 4 square means sorry, 2 square is 4. Okay, and then what have 4 square? So 4 square means 16. 4 into 4, 16, right? And bracket will give, and 3 square is what? 9, and 0 square, that means 0. So if I multiply the 0 to this 16 and 4, then there will be 0. So in denominator 4. So 0 by 4, answer will be 0. Okay. Now see a square, a to the power b and c to the power d. Okay. So here a value is what? 4, and b value is what? Exponent is b there. So b value is 3. So we'll write here 3, and plus c. C value is what? 2. We'll write here 2, and exponent what have? D. So d value is what? 0. Okay, so 4 cube. So 4 cube means what? 4. We need to multiply this 4 3 times. So 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. So if I multiply this 4 into 4 into 4, then we will get 64. So 4 cube means what? 64. So here we will write 64, and here you see 2 to the power 0. So anything to the power 0, then answer will be always 1. Okay, so 64 plus 1 what? 65. Okay, now question number D. What have 4ab minus cd plus 2? Okay, so a value is what? 4, and b value is what? 3. Okay, and minus give sign is there. So c value is what given to you? 2. Okay, and this question number D value is what? Have x cube minus tri square plus z plus 1. So x and plus value is what? Okay. 1. So whole cube 1. So now we multiplied 4 into 4, so 4, minus 4 and 3, and so y square is what? Y value is what? Minus 48. Power is what? There will be squared. So we'll write 8. If bracket is there, that means this one multiplied. Okay, so here 2 0 0 plus minus 2 square. We say this one is minus 2 square. Then plus then 0 to non need to add value 48. That is 3, and then so we'll write 48 and then plus 2. So 1 cube, next cube is we'll write 48 plus 2 and is what? Then there once you see there minus and whole square is given. So even number is there in now exponent, then this minus come plus. Okay, so 2 square is here what? 4 plus written, and then plus 3, a cube. Okay, so a value is what? And then 4, 1 we'll minus here 4 cube. Okay, 12 3, and then what 4, have minus okay. B square means b equal to what? Dot what have 3, so in place of b will write 3. Okay, so this will be square there, and then plus c square. So c value is what? 2. Will give here we'll write 2 and square. Okay, and d value is minus d value is what? 0. So here we'll write 0 square. Okay, so first one what have 4, so we'll write 2 square. So there will be bracket. Okay, 2 square. So first one what have 4, so we'll write 4, and 4 cube means what? 64, and minus there 3 square means what? 3 into 3 9, and then 2 square what? 4. So now we'll calculate two numbers. Okay, there are 6 4 plus 64 what? 68. Okay, and then minus, so plus minus minus 9 minus 4 what? 5, and bigger number is 9, before sign is minus, so here you put minus sign and 5. Okay, so 68 minus 5 plus minus minus 68 minus 5 is what? 63. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, now next question, question number 11. So what have? Write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expressions. So here this question number 11, you know, so here you need to write the only terms. So first one is what? 3x square minus plus 7y square minus 8xy plus 9. There are 4 terms, so we need to write the 4 terms here. Okay, so terms will be, so here we'll write terms are 3x cube are 3x cube comma 7y square and here minus 8xy comma minus 8xy, and then comma 9. Okay, so similarly b c d you can do, because you need to write only the terms. Okay, how many terms are there? These terms you need to write here. Okay, so next question, question number 12. So here if x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, and z equal to 2, and a equal to minus 2, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 2, find the value. So here a, what have? A x plus by plus cz. So this is the expression given. So here we put the values, whatever value is given here. So a value is what? Minus 2, and b value, x value is what? 1, and plus b value is what given? 1. We need to write this one inside the bracket, and here y is what? Minus 1. We'll write here inside the bracket. If minus is there, then always you write to you try to do inside the bracket. Okay, you write inside the bracket. So here c have, so c value is what? Minus 2, and z have, so z value is what? 2. So here this minus, so bracket into bracket, that means this are multiplied, so plus minus minus, so 2 1 jar 2, and again plus, and then 1 in 1 bracket, then minus 1, so plus minus minus 1 in, so there will be 1 minus 1. Okay, and then plus sign, so minus plus minus minus, and 2 2 jar 4, and my sign will be minus. Okay, and next, now we'll break the brackets. So here minus 2, and then plus minus 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 1, and then here we see plus into minus 4, so plus minus minus 4. Okay, so there you see this minus 2 terms will add first. Okay, so minus 2 and minus 1, so minus minus it will be plus, and bigger number is 2, sign will be minus. So minus 2 minus 1 what? There will be minus 3, and then minus 4 have. Okay, there will be minus 4. Okay, so again 2 terms is there, and both having minus sign, so minus minus it will be plus, and sign will be minus. So 3 plus 4 was 7, so minus 7. Now see b, question number b. What if ax square plus by square plus cz square? So a value is what? -2, and x value is what? 1. We'll write 1, and power whatever is there, exponent is x square, right? 2. So b value is what? 1, and y value is what? -1. Okay, and exponent is what? 2. That means square. And c, will write c value is what? -2, and z square is what? Z value is 2. Okay, we'll write z square. So here you see first 1 square means what? 1. So -3, sorry, this is -2, and 1 square is what? 1. So here 1 and 1 square, you see an even number is there, so this it will become plus. Okay, so 1 into 1, and then here you see -2, and then what have 2 square? So 2 square means what? 4. Okay, so here we will now break the brackets. So here -2, and then see 1 into 1, what? 1 1 ja 1. So here plus, so plus minus minus. Okay, and 4 to ja 8, equal to sign will keep, and here you see -2 and +1. So plus minus minus, 2 minus 1, what? 1, and bigger number is 2, so sign is minus. So here -8 have, okay, so minus minus what? Plus. So 8 plus 1 9, and sign will be minus because bigger number is minus. Okay, now next see axy plus byz plus czx. So a value is what? Have -2, x value is what? 1, and y value is what? -1. Okay, this all multiply to each other. Okay, axy, and now byz, this one also multiply to each other. So b value is what? 1, and y value is what? -1, and z value is what? 2. Okay, and then we give sign czx, right? So c value is what? -2, and z value is what? 2, and x value is 1. Okay, so you see there, how many terms are there? There are 3 terms. So all terms having multiplication. So first you see 3 bracket is there, so all 3 numbers multiply to each other. Okay, so here it will be +2, because minus minus plus, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, and here you see this minus, and then plus minus minus, so here will be 2, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, and then minus, here have, so plus minus minus, it is just 6, so -6. So here see, first we calculate this two numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0, and then -6, so answer will be -6.